So, greetings, my friend. I hope you're well and your family is healthy. Let's learn some new thing in Excel. So, today we're going to learn about ISODD function. So, this function helps you identify that either the given value is odd or even. So, it will work only for numerical values, not for text. So, let's try. So I'm gonna select B2, going to press equal sign and is odd. So this is the function, very simple, only one parameter that's required a number. So I'm gonna select here, going to close the bracket, hit enter and see this numerical value is odd. And let me apply this to other records. See, this is even. So what happened? Here we see false instead of true. Similarly, if you see here and here, so these numbers are even, so they are false. Apart from that, other numbers are odd. So this how, you can apply this formula based on your requirement. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I hope you enjoyed, so please like this video. Uh, Enough for now. We will meet on the next video. Bye bye.